Since I've become chief, and every other chief, before me, we have a responsibility to ensure that officers are able to perform their duties within, that's prescribed to them.
Chief Stephen Ignacio chiming in on a recent medical form that was issued to officers on profile within the Guam Police Department. As KUAM reported on Thursday, the 3-page form requested they have their doctor fill out and indicate physical and environmental restrictions, medications along with dosages and side effects, and if they're fit or unfit for duty. The form, which is due on Friday, had several officers flustered because it's a possible violation of the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It's also being looked at as a top brass's way of weeding out uncooperative rank and file. Ignacio saying he has a responsibility.
Every once in a while, the officers, experience, medical difficulties, their status changes, right? And so, it's my duty, one, to ensure that the officer can perform his duties as prescribed. But if they're not able to, I have to make sure I have an understanding of what duties they can and cannot perform.
But command staff would be aware of these limitations, as officers are required to provide a doctor's note indicating difficulties so that they're properly placed within the agency. Despite certain limitations, however, they're capable of performing tasks associated with their job. When provided a copy of the form, Guam Federation of Teachers Representative Robert Koss understands that GPD has a need to ensure safety of all employees, but employees also have medical privacy rights. He adds that GPD must be careful to preserve these rights when seeking medical reports about its employees. And knowing that there are officers seeking legal action, Ignacio says,
I'm not trying to take anybody's pay away. I'm not trying to demote anybody. My job is, I deal with this every day. I have officers who report to me that I can't do this, I can't do that because, again, physical, mental, or medical limitations. And, I also, the Guam Police Department as the chief, I also need to know, and it's prescribed by law.
Jonagan Charfris, KUAM News.
Painkillers, Vicodin, oxycodone, which are prescribed.